So guys, if you want to create such a model in SketchUp, it's very easy, but you need a paid plugin. So what you'll have to do, first you have to create a rectangle like that. Okay, and here I will take offset. Okay, then I have to draw a rectangle at every corner like that. Okay, delete this portion. Then you have to push it. Now here I'm selecting this face and then copying by pressing Control. Okay, now you have to make it as thickness. So here I am typing 30, just like that. Okay guys, then you have to just copy it, select entire model, then press M, press Control, then press X5 for 5 number of copies over here, just like that. Okay, then again I am copying from this direction by pressing Control with M and then typing X5 like that. Okay, now here we have to place just like that. So I'm making it in a group and then copying with Control, typing X2. Okay, now here I'm going inside this group. I'm deleting this extra part. Just select just like that and delete. Same thing from this side, delete. Okay, again same thing you have to do from this side. Here I'm deleting this one column. Okay, just select and delete. Just select and delete. Okay, now what you'll have to do, you have to just explode it, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl X. Okay, and then just go inside this group, and then here you have to click over the edit option and then click over paste in place option. Okay, that's it. Now select entire model and then you have to click over this option, subdivide and smooth. So here you can see that a model is subdivided, but you need more smooth line and faces. So we have to again click over here to subdivide and smooth, and after that it will produce your model something like that. Okay, so guys, if you really like, please follow and see you next tutorial. Thank you.